Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily connect Wise account with Amazon. So all you have to do is head over to amazon.com and make sure that you're logged into your account. Next, just hover your mouse on account and lists. Then under your account section, click on account. And from here, just head over and click on your payments. And under wallet, cards and accounts, click on add a payment method. And you have a variety of options here, but we're just going to head over and click on add a credit or debit card. And from here, all you have to do is head over and fill out all the details regarding your Wise account, such as card number, name on card, expiration date, security code, CVV or CVC. Then once done, just head over and click on add your card. And just by that, you have now successfully connected Wise and Amazon with each other. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye.